Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Vidya. Today we are going to study about regression and important types of regression. In the last video, we have studied about supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning. Today we get more deep into supervised machine learning. Regression is a part of a supervised machine learning. In this video, we are going to study the following topics. What is regression, dependent and independent variable in regression, and types of regression. Now, let's get started with regression. Regression is basically a supervised machine learning method in which we try to fit our data by a set of points on a line or a curve. See, if we have a data points like this which try to plotted in this form, this way. If we have these data points in regression, we try to find the best line that covers maximum number of points with minimum error. In regression, we are basically going to perform this task. It's a type of a prediction task. The main part of a regression work is prediction. Regression is basically used to fit data points and prediction of real value. It performs the prediction of real value. In regression, we divide our data set into two sets of points. That is independent variable and dependent variable. So what is this independent and dependent variable? Let's get study this with an example. We take the example of house price prediction. We have taken this example in the last video also. House price prediction. Now I'll just draw the data set with the columns. Suppose the columns are house number, house size, number of entrants in the house, and we take one more column as price, the main column. Now in our model we are going to input these three columns as an input to our model, and the output we want to get the price. See, we are going to input these three columns in our model and we are going to get the price as an output variable. So here these three values are independent, they are not dependent, while the price depends on these variables. You would see like these three, that is house number and size and one more variable, are dependent on no one, while the price column depends on these three variables. So these three columns, this is entrance also. I forgot to write, this is entrance, number of entrants in the house. These three are, these are independent variable, while the price is a dependent variable. Now let's study about the mathematical model mathematical model of these dependent and independent variable. Dependent variable is a function of independent variable. Which are present in our data set. In the last example, we have seen that we have three variables as independent variable while price is a dependent variable. So price is basically a function of all those three variables that are independent. Now we have seen that what is this regression? So types of regression, all these regression types differ from each other on the basis of this function. This function may be a linear function or a polynomial function or maybe a non-linear function. So different types of functions and different types of regression differ from each other by this function only, this function f. Basically, we have nearly 15 types of regression. In this course, we are going to study only few of them. The types of regression we are going to study are linear regression, polynomial regression, lasso regression, and the last one is ridge. Now we have reached to the end of the video. So we have got the basic idea about what is regression and what are the few types of regression. In the next video, we are going to talk about linear regression. We are going to study its model, Python code with an example, and its training process. So if you like my video, then please like my video, share my video and subscribe to AI Vidya. If you have any query, then please drop your query in the comment section. I will definitely answer them. Till then, thank you.